Hi, I'm Susie. Hi, I'm Susie. Hi, I'm Susie, Head of Strategy at Oneplus Nord, here at home to introduce you to our newest product. Nord's not even a year old, but we've already broken a couple Amazon records, launched 3 phones, fought off leakers, and built a pretty strong community. But that's not why you're here today. You're here to learn more about our newest member of the Oneplus Nord family, Oneplus Nord CE, Core Edition. Not so fast. Nord CE delivers the core OnePlus fast and smooth experience and includes enhanced features at an even more affordable price. You know, I could really get used to working at home. So what do we mean when we say core? In every product or service, there are core elements which are essential to the experience. We've learned a thing or two about what you love about Oneplus Nord. Trust me, we spend too much time reading Instagram comments. We take your feedback seriously. If fast charging, powerful cameras, and a smooth display are important to you, then they're important to us, which is why we've kept all those things on the Nord CE. Thank you for joining us today, and make sure to check on oneplus.com or with our carrier partners for pricing and availability. Have a great day.
Cut!
Finally.
Hey, Susie, I don't think that's enough. They need more info.
More info?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's walk and talk. Since you're so curious, Nord CE starts with core features in mind, bringing together an improved Warp Charge 30T Plus, a 64 megapixel triple camera, that's 16 megapixels more than the original Nord, and our signature 90Hz fluid AMOLED display, all packed into the slimmest phone since the OnePlus 6T at 7.9 millimeters. Let's take a closer look.
We gotta move, so baby, come on. Love me better, light is better. We going up, yeah. Like I'm a slave when the fever is gone. You got me falling like a dreamer. I need your love, I need your love. You got me whispering like a diva. I need your touch, feel like my cup.
Well, that was fun. It kind of makes me want to go on a bicycle ride. Let's take a closer look.
Nord CE comes in 3 different colorways. First, we have Blue Void. It's a matte finish, but has some very beautiful accenting on its edges. It's very mesmerizing to look at. Also, Blue Void is especially designed to be fingerprint resistant. If something a little more classic is your thing, we have Charcoal Ink. It's a darker take on the original Nord's gray onyx, keeping that same glossy finish you know and love. Finally, we have my favorite colorway, Silver Ray. The reflective properties of Silver Ray harness the surrounding light to create a beautiful array of vibrant accent colors. OnePlus Nord CE doesn't just look beautiful. Its powerful cameras know how to capture beauty as well. Take a look at some of our sample shots. First, a photo from one of our favorite photographers, JP Bonino. We're so happy that he was able to capture such vibrant colors, and more importantly, a happy person holding a Rubik's Cube, all processed using our smart content algorithms on Nord CE's main camera. Next, let's zoom out on one of Marilee André's shots and see what it's like to chill on a rooftop in Greece with Nord CE's ultra-wide camera. What a view! Let's check out a gorgeous portrait shot from Paris Helena out in Los Angeles, California. Look at those colors pop. Have a look at this beautiful shot of this stylish person walking down some stairs in Stockholm, Sweden, shot by Pontus Hammerstrom. Pontus himself is also really stylish. He's got a stylish phone, stylish glasses, and even a stylish pineapple, as pictured here in one of Nord CE's selfie camera shots. But that's just a snapshot of what Oneplus Nord CE's camera system is capable of. We are so excited to see your Nord CE photos too.
And that sums it up. As mentioned before, make sure to check on oneplus.com with their carrier partners for pricing and availability information. I hope you enjoyed that expose of Oneplus Nord CE. A little more than you expect.
We're gonna need you to come with us. What are you hiding?
I've already told you everything.
The people deserve the truth.
You claim Nord CE delivers the same core Nord experience for an even better price.
That's right.
So prove it.
We've trimmed down the phone without compromising on the OnePlus quality guarantee, ensuring it meets the standards of even flagship models. We put painstaking effort into the design and build quality of OnePlus Nord CE. And we threw in 3 years of security updates and 2 years of software updates to ensure it keeps that quality as long as you need it.
It's so slim.
The camera. Start talking.
It's got a triple camera setup on the back with a 64 megapixel main camera. That's 16 megapixels more than the original Nord, capable of capturing incredible detail and color.
And it's got an ultra-wide camera with a 119-degree field of view, great for capturing easy group shots. On the front, a 16 megapixel selfie camera for capturing yourself from all the best angles. But even if you're not the greatest photographer, Nord CE features AI scene detection, which is capable of recognizing what you're shooting and automatically adjusts the camera settings for an awesome shot. And of course, everything looks amazing on our silky smooth 90Hz display.
Chip?
A powerful Snapdragon 750 5G chipset and a Cryo 570 CPU supported by up to 12 gigabytes of RAM that packs brand new architectures for more than 20% improvement over its predecessor. And an Adreno 619 GPU with a 10% improvement from the Adreno before it, all backed up by up to 256 gigabytes of internal storage. That means all the ultra-fast processing you need for all your favorite apps and games.
Battery?
Nord CE comes with an even bigger battery than the original Nord. But thanks to our improved Warp Charge 30T Plus, it still charges in the same time. That means 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes.
All right, let's see it. Practice your calls. It's
Not good enough.
one of your best. Oxygen OS?
Our fastest, smoothest, smartest yet. Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11, featuring our new and improved user interface, optimized single-handed operations, dark mode, always on display, Zen mode, and more.
5G?
5G gaming, streaming, and sharing, with download speeds up to 2.95 gigabytes per second. And dual SIM card slots.
All right. Maybe Nord CE does have all those things. Maybe it does live up to its core philosophy. Maybe I wanted that coffee.
I definitely want mine.
But there is no way you were able to do all of those things and lower the price.
It just doesn't add up.
Now I'm going to show you a lineup. And I want you to identify the price of Nord CE.
We just want the truth.
It's available in India, starting from 20 to 999 rupees.
Is there anything else you want to tell us?
Did I mention that we also brought back the headphone jack? Mr_Hamza_HP53, Mr_Rohit.RK, violinist_Sachin. This one's for you.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
All right. I think we've got enough here. I don't know if we have enough to charge you with anything, but...
Actually, we are not really cops. Just big normal fans.
It's okay. It happens all the time. Thanks, everyone. We think you'd agree that Oneplus Nord CE has a little more than you'd expect at an even better price. Oneplus Nord CE will be available Just kidding. Oneplus Nord CE will be available to members through
Pre-order
on
June 11th
and on
June 16th
on oneplus.in and retail partners.
and Amazon.
Have a great day and stay safe.